Donchian channels can help you identify trends, spot breakouts, and even manage risk. But what exactly are they? Donchian channels consists of 3 lines. The upper line, which represents the highest high over a specific number of periods, the lowest low, which reflects the lowest low over the same period, and the middle line, the average of the upper and lower lines. These lines are plotted on your price chart, dynamically shifting as new highs and lows are formed. They're widely used in breakout strategies and trend-following systems. The calculation for Donchian channels is very straightforward, and it makes them accessible to traders of all levels. First, you're going to choose the number of periods. 20 is the common default. Next, for the upper line, you're going to find the highest high over the last 20 candles. For the lower line, locate the lowest low over that same period. The middle line is simply the average of these 2 values. This creates a visual band around price, providing immediate insight into market volatility and direction. When price breaks above the upper band, it's signaling bullish momentum, while a break below suggests bearish pressure. Breakouts indicate potential trade opportunities, especially in trending markets. However, not every breakout leads to a sustained move, so confirmation is key. Look for candle closures past the tops or bottoms of the channels for breakout entries, or wait for price to interact with the middle line of the Donchian channel as a potential pullback area for retests. Donchian channels are also a useful tool for gauging volatility. Wide channels indicate high volatility, while narrow channels point to consolidation. Use the channel width to gauge market conditions. With Donchian channels, we're able to combine the concepts from the breakout signals and the volatility tracking to be able to clearly spot trends. To identify the broader trend, start with a higher time frame like the daily chart. If price consistently hugs the upper band or keeps breaking out to the upside, you're likely in an uptrend. Conversely, if it's staying near the lower band or keeps breaking to the downside, a downtrend is more probable. Here's a quick and dirty Donchian channel strategy for you to take back to the lab and test out. First, confirm the overall trend on a higher time frame. I like the daily chart for this. Next, on your entry time frame, identify a breakout above the upper band or below the lower band. After that, you're going to confirm the breakout with price action by waiting for engulfing or shaved candles, or utilize something like the RSI or VWAP to confirm your entry. Of course, you're looking to enter the trade in the direction of the breakout, and you're going to want to go ahead and place a stop loss between the band that you just broke out of and the middle line. Aim for a risk to reward of at least 1 to 1.5. I hinted at it before, but I want to come right out and say clearly that Donchian channels play really nicely with trend confirming tools like moving averages and the RSI. Moving averages and VWAPs are incredibly easy to interpret and make it simple to double up on your confirmation before taking your entries. Also, consider using something like the RSI to avoid overbought and oversold conditions during breakout trades. I mentioned earlier that the default for the Donchian channels tends to be 20 candles, but you can tinker with this setting to find more or less breakout entries. Donchian channels with shorter periods are more sensitive but generate more signals. Longer periods are smoother but could delay your entries. Another feature that I love is being able to see the Donchian channels from a higher time frame while on your lower time frame. This makes it really easy to keep an eye on the bigger picture while down on the lower time frame looking for your entries. I used to trade a system that utilized 4-hour Donchian channels on the 15-minute chart. Whether you're a breakout trader or you prefer pullbacks, Donchian channels offer clear signals in trending conditions and make ranging conditions more visible and easier to avoid. As always, practice on a demo account before risking real capital. If you trade with Donchian channels, let me know down in the comment section. And if this video helped you even a little bit, I'd appreciate if you helped us by hitting those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks and have a great day.